What is up, ladies and gentlemen? This is Fit coming at you with an episode of vlog. This is going to be the first in a series of essentially just building computer systems, actually. Gonna be a new thing here on the YouTube channel. Not for everybody, maybe. I don't know. If you like computer programming or fun ideas about what you can do with software, problems you can solve, solutions you can come up with, and designs and things you can implement, then this may be a series that you care about. We will talk about video games some, but at the same time, this is a different direction for this playlist. So hopefully to capture a different type of viewer that is in it to win it. So I have a lot of projects I'm working on, guys. I'm going to play some music here because we're just going to slowly dive into some projects today. We're going to work on a live system we have and do some development. See what kind of fun stuff we can come up with. Let's ethnic. So this should be fine for copyright, right? It's the audio library from YouTube. Gonna just turn it down a little bit so I can chill. So, not too bad. So, I was researching stuff about copyright. Well, right now, just doing some website design, basically building a system for this client that I'm coding him a platform where he can sell access to... Oh, look, it's restarting right there. He can sell access to trading videos and do things like that. So that's one of the things, this is just, I'm coding this right here and trying to get this thing online for him. I've just done a lot of basic stuff so far, like making it so that you can register, you can log in, obviously, you can recover your password. By the way, it all works. I'm just showing you stuff I've already done. You can log in, you can be an admin, okay? So if you're an admin, then you have all this extra stuff. Which is the configuration pane. Coding by hand with AI, right? From scratch. So maybe I shouldn't say by hand, but coding from scratch using AI systems here in PHP. So actually, let me show you this page right here. This is pane.php. We'll switch over to cursor. And then here you can see, and I will make this a little smaller here. Here you can see pane.php. We have, it's 854 pages, okay, or 854 lines of code. Some JavaScript. This is all HTML. There's some PHP mixed in with the HTML. And really standard stuff that I won't dive into right now. Database access, doing few queries here and there, some JavaScript for handling, and then some styling. So somebody's an admin, you can see at the top, then they will be able to view this. Otherwise they get kicked out on this page here. And right now, I mean, just going through this I have a lot of things that I want to work on. A lot of things I've already done for him. You know, I built a profit reporting system so that users who watch his videos and pay for the subscription can report their profits, and it logs it in the system. Look, like you go here, report your profits, and then you can declare how many shares you're selling. Goes all the way to 8 digits because that is the highest divisible amount, you know, applies to Bitcoin and all that. You could say that you paid $10 a share and you sold at $100, and so you made $720. There's all sorts of input validation, like if you change any digit, just one digit, in any of these 3 fields, it automatically updates the profit down there, by the way. I think that's a lot of fun. Really cool, actually. I like that, how responsive it is and how nice. And then you can actually open up a calculator here. If you do not know what your average cost was for the shares that you're trying to sell, then you can put down your accrual. So if you bought 10 and you paid $2, and then you bought it later on, 15 of them at $5, and then you just did one last one at $10, then it calculates the average cost per share, the total cost, total shares. By the way, this has the same input validation that, you know, one of the features of the input validation. I mean, the input validation is a long list, but you know, if you just change one digit here, updates it. So no matter what row, what digit you change, updates it automatically. This is amazing. And then what it does is it uses your result as the average cost here, 656, okay? And then I think it puts in your amount of shares that you accrued using the calculator, okay? Then you can put down what you sold it for, 154. Now it just updates your profits today. Right now, this isn't updating immediately, but by the way, if I navigate away from this page, for some reason, the total profits today for the global AHO, not updating immediately when I do this, right? But when I navigate away and I come back, it does update. So it's going through to the database just fine. You know, the your profits today updated. This is a pretty neat system, guys. I hope you guys like this. But let me just pull up my Notion here, and I will go through some of the sprint session I have planned for today. I don't know how exciting this is for anybody. I mean, I'm just recording my software development sessions from now on, basically. I have a lot of them, so there's going to be a lot of this, I'm sure. Okay, so this is for Apex Holdings. Daily report profit by users on main page. Done. Taking that off. Wait, how can you cross it out? Strike through. Boom. Profit reporting tool. Done. Dashboard to see last user login. Dashboard to see active users. So on the configuration pane, you can see the user list. If this gets popular, I mean, if the guy, my client that I'm selling this to, good thing it doesn't show my password here, gosh, should be encrypted anyways, or crypted or whatever. Excuse me. I mean, if he has a lot of his clients, right? People that sign up on his website, man, this when he toggles this user list to view these people, I mean, it could go on forever. I mean, it could crash his web browser, I guess, or like, you know, I don't even know, take over the whole system. If it just goes on forever and ever. But yeah, I don't see that happening, right? I mean, you know, if he's successful, I mean, he may have hundreds, thousands of clients, maybe. I mean, if he takes over the world, then yes, we're gonna have to update this system. But for now, it can handle a massive amount of people. I mean, you just imagine if he has 100 clients, that's fine. You can just toggle on and off the thing and look at all of his users. That's fine. He can also change their role by adding either their username or email. Look how thoughtful I am to make it so you can put either one. So this system I'm building him already 14,407 lines of code. So, and I haven't even worked on the UI at all. That's why there's no CSS files. Each file is probably going to have its own UI file. It's going to have its own CSS or whatever. I've obviously made it so you can remove profits and stuff from people that report them. What if somebody logs in and reports a profit that he takes issue with? You know, I do limit the amount that people can report to, you know, a certain amount. I don't remember what it is. I could tell you, but I don't want to do that right now with my request. So, all right, and let's just get right into it, guys. So we're going to continue with our Notion here. I did code it so that you can look at active users. So I'm just going to mark that off. Dashboard to see views. I've done that already. You can look at the views he's had. Manage user roles. I've done that already. Feature request feature in online admin dashboard. Feature request feature. Oh, if he wants an upgrade or something, I was going to code it in so that he can request an upgrade and it like sends me an email, I guess, or something. Home Apex Holdings. I've already done this. So I have made him a static web page that is just like a company profile site. There's no transaction that can happen here. There's no store. There's no login. There's nothing. It's just a static web page just to entertain his interested parties or stakeholders or whatever, his clients. So then you can obviously go to take a link here, reach out to us, info@apexholdings.online. That's his good email that I set up for him. All right, so that's done. Stripe, and I need to integrate that. We may do that tonight. Depends on how fast we go. Pictures. I've generated a lot of media for his website. I may do more. Let's see, actually do more with AI. Okay. Needs videos. This is on integrate tonight. This is what we're doing tonight. We're making it so he can upload his videos for his clients to see. Social media links done. Well, actually, I haven't integrated those yet. I have his Instagram link, but I don't have his Twitter yet. So need to grab that from him. We're just focusing on those two for now. And then point DNS, that's like really far in the past. Images. I'm going to just delete this because I put pictures down here. Product review. What do I mean by that? I don't even know. What did I mean? Ask AI? No. I'm just removing it. Account creation. This is all done. This has been... This needs to be tested, actually. This needs to be tested. Basic skeleton. Yeah, I think I actually need to do more input validation on the, what I call the skeleton. Like, for example, what if I go here? I think I limited this to 60 characters. Let's check. Okay, yeah, that's limited. And the password? Okay, yeah, that's totally fine. And then I've already tested it for, like, the length and stuff like that and the complexities. But if I go to the register page, did I limit the space there? Oh. What's happening here? Why is this the username? Oh, yeah, the username is getting reduced. Okay. And then what's this? F11. I limit the length of the username, and then the email address is limited to 40. Password should be limited to something similar, 40, something like that. Yeah. Okay. And then, and by the way, this all does have validation. Like if you try to, the email, it has to be an email address. So there's more validation than I'm just exposing right here. And then I don't even know about if I've done SQL injection prevention yet or not. I think I have. So that actually needs to get added to the SQL prevention injection. And that needs to be done. That'll be a fun little thing. This will be stopping hackers. Okay. And then account creation. This is just one tool they have. But if they wanted to hack into my system, they could, I promise. Account creation. So this all needs to be just kind of grouped together, and this needs to be done. Okay. And then the login, the admin, the user, the public. This has all been hashed out already. This is a long time ago. So we're going to put everything that's crossed out at the bottom. And then we're going to just add in the cancel discard. Okay. Now the videos needs to be done tonight. And what else? Oh, this needs to be fixed. So we need to log out. And then let's go to home. All right. He asked me if I could put a NASDAQ ticker on here. Now, I did, and I've already integrated it, but it crashes when it gets to a certain AC right there. It did it. Sorry, I was trying to switch the display there. I wanted to I want to change my hotkey. Control 1. Control 1. I don't know how to how do I stop Chrome from Control 1 opening tab? Okay. Well, that's retarded. I'm gonna just change my settings here in my broadcasting software. So this is gonna be now control page up. This will be control page down. That should be fine. Okay. All right, let me show you. Look, it gets to this point right here. We're gonna fix this right now. This will be the first time we're doing this. What's it get to? It gets to PEP, and then it crashes. Do you see how it just went back to the beginning just then? All right, so here's how we do it nowadays. So we're gonna bust open the cursor and get right into it here. So here we're on index.php. Okay. I'm going to use ChatGPT actually for just a second. Because I'm having to troubleshoot this. So this is how I like to do it. Oh, this is kind of complicated. Let's see. This means after the ticker moves through all the items it hits 100% of its width and immediately jumps back to 0%, creating the loop. If your content and duplication strategy don't perfectly align. So to me, yeah, after 200% you're on the third set, next loop. Can't I just change it to 200%, see what that is? What happens if I change it to 200%? So how much do I know about coding, really? Well, my college degree, computer information systems, and I'm dwarfed by people that know true code, but I understand the concepts behind code, and I have concepts of a plan. Yeah. So I think this might be a good solution here. Let's try doing the suggested perhaps 100%. Here it is. Keyframes ticker at, I don't know if I should maybe modify this to, maybe I should keep that at 100%. Oh, wrong website. All right, now we have to wait. Let's see. Now it's just repeating over and again. That's awful. What happens if we change this to 200%? It's not going anywhere. So it's really bad. Where are there other areas where this happened? Okay, let's consult with the Oracle again. If you have original items, full duplicates and scrolling to traverse for this and precisely start the third set. Cutting short, this should be simple. I actually get so frustrated at AI. I mean, part of the nice thing about working with AI is it saves you a lot of time, right? I mean, for the level you're at, if you duplicated it multiple times. So it's saying remove one of the loops. And then the other option is to scroll further. Well, when I scrolled further, that didn't seem to help. But let's look at how that looks. Let's go with option 2. See, that just resets there. That's not any good. What happens if it's 25%? Oh, now it went pretty far. Oh, but it didn't. Oh, hang on, what's happening? Okay, it went all the way to the end, all the way to. Okay, hang on. How do we do this? Can we make it essentially endless? Where it doesn't really have an end. I'm just trying to find out here. But as far as what I know, what I think about, I do think about code a lot. I think about classes, variables, type definitions. I think it is just having an issue loading is why it seems like it's shifting at first. Everything related to that stuff, polymorphism, inheritance. All sorts of good stuff. And I honestly love it. It's really one of my favorite things ever and makes me really happy. So I think increasing it to 300% is really good. Seems like that's a fix. Seems like increasing... Remove one of the cloning loops. Oh, here they are. I didn't even see them. Clone the items twice to ensure full coverage. Yeah, I don't want that. Screw that. And then let's go back to the the keyframe. Keyframe ticker all the way to 50%. Bet you that's not bad, like I suggested. Let's try that update. Took a little bits of pieces here and there from the suggestions from AI. Should move things right along. Oh, that looks terrible. What happened? I think it's a syntax error. That's a syntax error. It has to be. Let's see. Oh, yeah. We're missing one of these. A parentheses, a bracket. And then we already did the update. Now what's happening? All right. AI is saying this should help it just load eternally, right? It's a little slow for my taste, but okay. Okay, and then it just stops at master. I hate that. Okay. Let's talk to AI again. Okay, I did these changes. Please look. And also now it is just scrolling slower and stopping at master. So I think I have to just modulate these values for the keyframes on the left and the right. So maybe I should just talk to AI about what these do. I will go down that if AI can't debug this for me easily. It sounds like the adjustments were made, but ticker still, even though it changed 50%, reduce complexity in short, remove or adjust spacing, just make sure you only have 2 identical sets total. You can do keyframes by pixels. So, okay. Let's talk to the Oracle. How do the values with the keyframes work here? What's each part do? Oh, okay. This, I understand. This has to be manually adjusted, right? So it seems that it performed well at the 100, but also what I'm trying to find out, let's do like 170. Maybe like 170 there. Okay. Definitely faster. Whoa, 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 whoa. It repeated. What's happening? I'm waiting for it to skip. It's supposed to. Okay, there it goes. So that was the very beginning, and it got all the way to where? It got to these, which are loading, and these. All loading. And then it started over again. I mean, it's all right, right? But it's just kind of... And I need more information from the... So how the percentage... The 0%, the 100% keyframe selection is the image start and end states. You can also define intermediate steps like 50%, 25%, towards point in the animation's timeline, start to finish. Putting it all together. The start, 0% is the ticker is fully visible starting from its first item. Okay, this is getting all the way to the TMUS. So which one is that in the list here? Where's the tickers? There it is. TMUS. It's getting all the way to TMUS and then it's stopping. Okay. Well, let's just mess with this. What happens if I do 200% and then leave this at 170? Let's see. Okay, it's loading. And it's not scrolling. Okay. So 170 isn't enough. Maybe it needs to be 250. It's gonna go so fast though, right? Look how fast it's going. Can't even load. Now it got all the way to Intel. So I'm almost scrolling through the whole animation now. That's what's happening. Oh, wait, hang on. It just got to... Okay, yeah, it just got to Intel again. So what's that in the list? Let's see. Intel is maybe halfway through this whole thing. So let's change this percentage to 520. Oh. Okay. What do you think? Okay, so let's see what happens. We have to wait for all of them to load. Okay, hang on. Let's stop this. I got it. Hang on. Small update. Okay. Okay. We want to make it so that the ticker scroller says in green neo modern looking letters loading just sitting there, and the ellipsis is blinking, and then it does that until all the ticker data is loaded, and then we only refresh the ticker data every 10 minutes. We have to do that for now since this is a free API. Okay, go. Oh, yeah, that's perfect. All right, we'll start with that. So yeah, let's get that going. Accept. Not even gonna review it. I'll just test and debug. Bum right here. All right, let's see what. Whoa! The loading went off the screen. That was funny. Let's fix that. Okay, but the loading can't scroll off the screen. Needs to stay static. And then should only scroll off after the ticker data is all prepped. All right, let's try doing this. Can we do this? I think we lost my API key. All right, I am going to grab my API key, which debatable whether or not should really worry about people stealing my stuff. Probably wise not to share my API key with people, but if it becomes a problem, I'll know about it. Okay. Okay. Gonna go back to this. And so let's just update this. I don't know if I did this or not, but we're gonna do it anyway. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, loading still went off the page. Okay. But you still made loading scroll off the side. You can't do that. Whoa, it's so fast. Let's try this. We will try this update. Oh, there it goes. Now it's static. Oh, but... Okay. Okay, I think we exceeded our request limit here. Let's just see how far it's going, though. What's it getting to? Oh. It got to const, okay? So I think the keyframes was updated here by the AI, possibly. I don't know. Oh, it made a separate class for it. I see. It made a new class called Ticker Ready. Where... But it didn't even use it. Oh, no, here it is. Ticker Ready. Hang on, Ready? Where did it put it? It didn't even use the new ticker class. What is happening here? Why did the timing on it change? It should still be really fast, right? Should still be at 520%. Why is it changed? What happened? I don't know. It's not like there's any more keyframe animations that I'm missing, right? Oh, here it is. It's using this new one. Okay. So then this one can be 570%. Save. Okay, so I think we're dialing in on a short-term solution for this ticker. It's just gonna load at first. Okay, and I don't want it to say load either. Okay, so we're gonna just implement some NASDAQ marketing. A little bit of see what this does. No idea. Not even sure what it's working on there. Okay, that looks really nice. I love it. I'm happy with this. Okay. And then once it loads, it should just have... Okay, I want to see if this goes all the way in. When does it stop? Okay, it went all the way to RCK, all the way to the end. Wait, hang on. Wow, guys, that actually looks amazing. It looks infinite now. It's way too fast, but oh, okay, it went all the way to master. Oh wait, no, it just did that because it loaded. Oh, I see. My gosh, you guys. Okay, let's consult with the chat for a sec. Okay, I have the animation length so that it does go through the whole thing now, but I have a few issues. It's too fast for one. It needs to be 1.8 times as slow, but still have same animation length. right? How do we achieve that? Also, I'm trying to make it so that if for any ticker it has loading next to it when the API trying to fetch still, perhaps. When the API trying to fetch still, perhaps. It should just show NASDAQ like it currently does in the green letters until all tickers have a number associated with them, right? A valid price. Then it should proceed to display the scrolling tickers. It's almost achieving this right now, but a few issues there with validation of data being associated with the ticker from the API and so forth. Also, it appears we're trying to grab the tickers in batches. I don't know if this is causing issue. Can you assist with this? Does multiple tickers cause more requests, or when we request API, does it grab all at once with requests using JSON or something? Good questions. All right, guys, we're going to get our response from chat, and we're going to put this on a brief break while I fill up on coffee, and we'll be right back with more exciting whatever this is. All right, guys. Well, we're back and just gonna head right into it. Look, this is what they said. If by animation length you mean distance it travels, we want it to run slower, you mean increase the animation's duration. Okay, so is this 14 seconds here? Okay, that's what I'm doing here. So where's the dot ticker? Here is ticker ready. Okay, here's the ticker. What is ticker ready anyways? Let's see. Is this even used? No, this CSS is not even used, okay? So, and that happens with AI all the time. And so, cleaning up things like that is going to be something I do after this. So this is 25.2 seconds. It recommends here. Let's try that. Why can't I get my YouTube jams to just play, man? All right, says NASDAQ. Looks beautiful, by the way. I like the way this looks. I'm okay with that. I mean, I can work with this. Okay, and then it doesn't have numbers assigned to it, and it's still displaying the ticker. Looks awful while it's scrolling, by the way. So what happens if I change this ticker ready? Is that actually going to change the timing on this thing? I mean, I thought this CSS wasn't even being used. That's what I thought. Okay, it's not being used. That's what I thought. I'm going to delete it. Okay. Now it's going to the right length, but it's still going really fast. So let's try doing this twice as long. 52 seconds. What happens there? I love the way it looks when it's loading, by the way. Isn't that sick? We can just get this right. That'd be nice. I wonder if I've like hit my API request limit. Okay, now it's going a lot slower. That's beautiful. In fact, I may need to boost this up to 78. Seems to scale really weird. So it's at 78 seconds now. Okay, Claude. All right, Claude. The loading is beautiful. Full on the ticker. I have the right animation length. Now, I want it to only show the tickers after they have loaded all their values and have numerical values assigned to each one. Oh, wait, didn't I ask ChatGPT some other things earlier? Hang on. Showing loading until done data is right. Okay, hang on. Let's go back to ChatGPT because I already prompted it earlier. You want the ticker to show something like that? You're looking for each symbol to... Okay, we're going to use this. Okay. I think okay, now let's switch over to Claude. We're going to use some of the info we got. I think we can fix by doing different loading here. Let's use promise. Maybe on this screen I should move my camera right here. Okay, so you can see my prompts. Okay, and then we're going to also use this little bit of code we got from also that implementation may help. Let's see what we can get from Claude here. Oh, perfect idea. Thanks. My idea, by the way. I do have some Fritos. We're going to enjoy those scoops tonight during our development session. We're spending a lot of time on this ticker, but I want it done right. And I do wonder if I have hit my request limit for this API. I wonder if that's going to affect it. Maybe I should just put it on the back burner for now and come back later on so I don't overload it. I think each time I refresh this page, I'm screwing it up a little bit. Okay, now it has all the numbers associated with it. That update we did was beautiful. Okay, amazing. That fixed it, Claude. Now we have issue where it's loading so fast, it's not showing the NASDAQ in beginning. So it should display the NASDAQ letters for a minimum of, and you guys will have evidence, I'm crazy, 3.3 seconds. Okay, 3.33 seconds. Bah! 3 threes, dude. It's like a pyramid made out of pyramids. Okay. You gotta love it. I have the power. All right. Just gonna update that here. Take it up. Now we're getting the beautiful NASDAQ for 3 seconds, and then it loads. Bam! Goes all the way to what? Some of these tickers are debatable too, by the way. I don't even know some of these companies at all. Like, what is this, Costco? And I can't read the red letters. Nobody can, right? So it goes all the way to TXN, okay. Qualcomm, hit up Qualcomm there. There's Intel, AMD. This is really far. Intel, Intu, whatever intuitive or Intu is. So it gets all the way to let's see. I mean, this is the ultimate test. It's all the way at like the second from last one. ISRG, REGN, LRCX. That's the last one. What happens here? Apple. Back to Apple. Okay. Okay, it went all the way to Apple, then Microsoft again, and then it glitched out, right? So that means I need to adjust my keyframes by just a small amount, and then it's back at the beginning, right? So right now my keyframes are at 520%. So this would suggest to me that a good ballpark would be maybe 500 and maybe 12% for now. And then I can test that later. And then it looks beautiful, right? So you have that. That's acceptable to me, right? Oh, yeah. The letters need to change. Okay. And then for the values that have gone down, I cannot actually see the red. It's too thin and contrast not quite right with black background. So make the font color for the value of money and percentage change white. Just only that. Just the color of just those values, not the actual ticker or anything else. It's funny. I type so much. I could probably just just go to the code and fix it. But I do this with AI because it puts me in a good workflow. I don't have to dive too deep into the code. That's something I want to avoid. I don't want to spend my time thinking about the code right now. I want to roll out updates. God, I love how this looks. That's sick, dude. Okay, and then it loads, and they're still red though. No, don't do that. No, don't do that. No, don't do. Only if they down. All right, let's see if that fixes a little bit of JavaScript, a little bit of CSS. Let's see. Is it white now? Oh, now they're all white. Oh, hang on. The green one's white. The red one's white. I actually kind of like that. This is a very white-themed website all of a sudden. What do you guys think? That's good to move on, right? We implemented that functionality. Now, if we care about the UI, we can do another sprint session on that later on. Okay, guys. And the functionality is not perfect, so maybe I can make a note here. Perfect ticker. Maybe he can, that can be part of an upgrade package for his website later on. Okay, so we have actually done the ticker now. So we're going to move that at the bottom. Need videos. Okay, so Man, okay. So, how do we do this? First, we're going to make it so that as an admin, you can upload videos. I don't even know. So, I have his video right here. Is surround system videos. Here's an MP4 properties. It is 271 megabytes. All right, first, let's just look at my database. I wonder how much data it can hold. Well, Bluehost's not even loading their own marketing. I'm just curious. It looks like I only have 10 gigs. It's possible I could, host some sort of local file server to save money here. $15 a month for 20 gigs. $20 a month for 50 gigs. $240 a year. $180 a year. Eventually, I will host all this myself, too, I think. I'm going to build a server and just get a static IP address and try and host all this. Okay. So, what do you think, Fit? First, we need to admin dashboard, upload videos, MP4 configuration, encoding, displaying. Okay. Database access. Okay. So, what do you think? Hey, look, I just put an icon there. That's so cool. Okay. Okay, so this should not be too horrible. I don't think so. So now, what do we have to do? I need to do some initial research. Okay. ChatGPT. Yo, can I insert a MP4 video as a long blob to the database? Are there drawbacks? Can I then view or decode or whatever the video or encode it for playback using free software for my PHP system? Okay, yes, you can store MP4 as long text or long blob in the database. Yes, dude, that is good news. Okay, guys, we're taking a quick 2-minute break before we proceed down this sprint. Thank you. All right, guys, I'm back. I just read this whole prompt or this whole response, and it is perfectly fine. It says it's a little inefficient that you should be doing this, but it's free, compatible, and works. And I don't care about the whole inefficient thing. In fact, I think it's going to work great. So let's get right into this. Can we please have some music, YouTube? Like, what do I have to do around here? So, first we need to make a table in the database to store the videos, right? And while I do love SQL, okay, give me nice table to store MP4 videos, specifically with timestamp, I guess, title, description, and ticker focuses that can store 5-letter string. Nah, we're not doing that. That's called scope creep. I was thinking about making it so that he can program his videos. Oh, and view count. Okay. And hours and minutes watched. So we'll just do something like that, right? You know, just so that he can analyze his data later on with AI, something like that. Make graphs and stuff like that. So that he can, you know, get granular data to begin with, and then later on, whoa. I like snake case or camel. I actually like camel case, I guess. Videos. Oh no. This table needs to be called whoa. I'm not in the table. I was like, what's happening? Rename table to videos MP4. Okay. Now let's just make sure we perform that operation. Where did it go? There it is. So videos MP4 structure, just grab the structure real quick. We're gonna go over to cursor. So what's up? What's up, cursor? New table called videos MP4. Here's the structure. At the bottom, there needs to be 3 buttons like all others. Black, nice, inset, box shadow, some padding, nice styling that when clicked on reveals the ability to upload a respective file. Pick the other 2 most common video file types people make besides MP4, which would be in the middle. 3 columns centered, MP4 in the middle. Remember, they expose visibility of submission. Form, including video file and related stuff. Okay. I swear to God, real code is now less confusing than low code. I can only imagine what low code environments are like with AI now. What you must be able to do. Dude, imagine if they invested a lot of money in that. Wouldn't really be worth it. Low code sucks ass. Asks lots of questions. Okay, hang on. What's this? Index. Okay, this new okay. I haven't even looked at the oh, whoa. I just updated index. Whoa. I just did all those updates to index. It's not supposed to do that. Please remove all those updates now. Whoa. I just did that to the wrong file. Actually, let's just Control Z, I guess. I did lose track of what I was updating though for a second. I did it so fast. All right, what I can do actually is I can just go here. Want to be careful when I do this. Download desktop. Let's just replace the index file we have. We are going to now copy the prompt I just made. And close out cursor. and then just reload it. Let's open up a fresh chat, open up the right page, and update the right page. How about that? Okay. Okay, that's good. HTML, CSS, some JavaScript for handling. And then we can go back in here and we can just update index and we'll update pane. I want to verify that I did a good copy of index and that I didn't screw myself over. So we're going to just log out real quick. Let's go back to index. It looks fine. Everything looks beautiful. I absolutely love it. Okay. Some of the styling looks off on this site, right? Like this is not centered, right? That needs to be fixed. I'll add that to the sprint session tonight. Index.php styling not centered. Looks bad. Has to be fixed. Okay. Admin dashboard, upload videos. So now let's log in to an admin profile. Go to the configuration pane. Here's our new videos. Upload MP4. WebM movie, okay? Video title. Test. Test. Choose file. Desktop. Let's go to videos. Upload. Okay. Let's go to the database. There's no insertion. Okay. After uploading video, it did not insert into database. Are you sure you are doing correctly? Can you try inserting blob as string? Also, can we use Ajax so that after successful insertion, it just has black rectangle pop up in top right for 2 seconds that says successful upload, and during upload has a progress bar with status of upload and as many nerdy details as possible in rectangle in top right. That looks nice and nice, and then of course transforms into successful update, blah blah, and then if failure, please nerdy details in a red rectangle there with white font instead. Okay, let's try that. Pane, yeah, we're in the right page. It takes a lot out of you, actually. Just prompting AI is like, I mean, it's exhausting. It's not as exhausting as coding, obviously, I guess, but it is exhausting. I mean, it honestly takes it out of me. After I finish working with AI all day, I'm like tired mentally. I really am. Whoa! What did I just do? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hang on. No, no, no. Stop. My God. Just uploaded the wrong files to this system. Well, I think it's done uploading. Let's just get rid of all that. Yes, permanently delete. And then okay, beautiful. Now let's see what's up. Hello, test. Okay. Whoa, whoa, this is cool. I love this. All right, guys. I am going to test this out, by the way. So, thinking about just pausing the video. It looks beautiful, by the way. Does need to be a little bigger. Pane. Okay. The rectangle. My wonderful nerdy stats, by the way, does need to be twice as big and look nice. All right, guys, I'm going to pause it while it's uploading here. I just want to test the database insertion. All right, guys, we're back, and apparently it finished while I was gone. I don't know, but I didn't see the pop-up afterwards because I wasn't here, so I don't know if the rectangle that was supposed to appear afterwards is there or not, but... And then, how is it even possible that it took all that time uploading, but didn't insert an entry into the database? What? Does it have the right... Let me see. Well, video data, long blob, question, string. Looks good to me. I don't see any... It's using the con variable. I don't see any problems, really. Sometimes it likes to use two n's there, but for con. So, is this on auto-incrementing? Yes. Is it the name of the table? Videos MP4? Nope. Is there an error in the error log? Error log's empty. Oh, wait. Allowed memory size of this many bytes exhausted. Tried to allocate this many. Whoa. Is that what happened? And memory limit. Let's modify the upload handler to use streaming chunked upload instead of loading the entire file into memory. Here's the fixed version. Okay. Okay. Upload video. Okay. Interesting. Can we update the rectangle to include as many nerdy details about chunks as possible? Is that possible? Enhance the more detailed chunk information, okay? Interesting. I don't think my client wants to see all this, but it would actually be useful for me, I suppose, if he had issues at one point. If I could like test it out later and get a detailed analysis on his uploads while I'm doing it. Could potentially be useful. Wait, hang on. I just updated pane, and then I updated pane. Okay. Major pane, basically. Alright. So we're updating pane here. Okay. Now we're gonna run another test. Desktop. Videos. Ugh. Let's check it out. Damn it. Okay, that's a downgrade. The box didn't appear. Didn't seem to use Ajax correctly. I wonder if the Ajax was wrong. That's what I'm suggesting to the AI. It's debatable whether I should have even done that. Like, suggest to the AI a certain thing. But I think it has something to do with the Ajax. Apply. Alright, let's debug this. Hopefully this works. I don't have to debug it. Oh, there we go. Oh my gosh, I love it, dude. Okay. Alright, guys. I'm going to show you what I'm looking at, by the way. Look how amazing this looks. And I made this, by the way. So cool. I mean, you can say AI made it, but, excuse me? Me and AI made it, and I'm authorizing it. But this is good. I'm really happy with it. I feel like we're mixing up our theme here, okay? We're going for black, and then it's incorporating this bluish teal stuff. I don't like it. I want all black and gray. Whatever this color is. How do you look at the styling? Whatever. Guys, I am going to pause this video. You know, this is just a test of the upload insertion to database one more time. So let's iteration number 2, you know, incremental progress. That's how we do it in the CIS world. We are achieving our goal of the admin dashboard upload videos, okay? Brief. All right, guys, it's wrapping up here. Says the estimated time left is 6 seconds. Upload failed. Debug ID. Whoa, no, I missed it. Crap, I didn't copy and paste it. Is it in the error log? Okay, just now, it tried to allocate even more. Uploading in chunks still made it tried to exceed the limit, okay? Hang on, look, cancel. Okay. Okay, so this is going to be another iteration then. Apparently it tried to concatenate all the chunks. And let's update the database structure. So I don't know why it's updating the database structure, but I'll do it anyway. So save all, and then make it easy on myself. Okay. All right, guys. You know the deal. Try not to waste your time or mine. I mean, I could talk, but I don't think I'm going to work on the system. I'm going to take a mental break. Helps me get perspective, I think. Come up with new ideas. Keep it fresh. Yeah, I was thinking of something earlier, actually. What was it? Excuse me. All right, we'll come back to this. All right, guys, I'm back once again. I don't know if it inserted. Let's see. It did not. What did the error log say this time? Oh my gosh, we had a syntax error? What the heck? My gosh. There must be some extra HTML characters at the end of the file. Oh, wait, hang on. Did I not save this? Oh, hang on, what happened here? Whoa. Why did it say rewritten file at the end? Huh? Was there any changes in this? No changes. So, my gosh, you guys. I think I just had this tag at the end I wasn't watching. But I guess it wasn't a significant waste of time. I had fun on my break. Still, I would have liked to have progress there and see it inserted in the database so I can move on to... Oh, stop! So I can move on to the next part of the whatever. All we did was update this. Did I save it? Okay. Sorry, sometimes I forget to switch over. I've been trying not to do that. Okay. All right, while this prompt is running through my brain, actually, let me put it out there. Going back to videos. All right, hopefully this uploads. There we go. And then I do have a prompt in my head. So we're switching over to the pane. Okay. Okay. And then for pane, all the buttons, every single one needs to be black background with white font, and it needs to be Orbitron or something nice. And also, if I hover, it needs to be opposite. So white background, black font, okay? And don't change the shape or size of any buttons at all. Please. Just what I'm asking, nothing more, okay? And then, excuse me, sorry, I don't mean to cough in your earphones or your speakers or whatever. But, pane, apply. Just some CSS. Looks like it's it. If I hit apply, is there anything I missed? I don't think so, okay. All right, and then we are uploading 1.8 megabytes a second. Love these details, love the icons, love everything that the AI did here. Just amazing. And me. I can take responsibility for my ideas. So Just executing. Let's pause this video. We'll be back in a minute. All right. Oh, back just in time. Upload complete. This is, I think, the first time it said that. So let's check the database. Successful insertion. My gosh, dude. Finally. Path to video file. Uploads video. Videos / video. Do I even have a videos file? What? Folder? Uploads. Videos. Video. There it is right there. It's in the database. Okay, guys. We just inserted a MP4 into the database successfully. Man. Alright. Took me about an hour to do that, at least. But it's okay. About an hour. Actually, it took me a little less, by the way. It's on video. But maybe 45 minutes, half an hour, not bad. An experienced software developer maybe could have done this in a similar amount of time, perhaps faster. I myself don't have that much professional experience, but I think that's changing pretty quick. All right, we have a successful insertion. Now, MP4 config, encoding, displaying. Okay, we need to test other upload types. Create other upload type tables. Okay, let's just do that right now. Since I'm thinking about it, I know I can knock that out real quick. Okay, here's the video's MP4 structure. Okay. We use chat. Okay. Okay, I need to make 2 more tables. One for MOV file type, and let's make it capital so it gets the message. File type, and what's the other one? WebM. The other WebM. Hey, how's it capitalized? WebM. WebM. Okay. Same structure. All right. Okay. SQL. Move. Okay, go. And then, since they're the same structure, right, it would make sense if it was WebM. Okay. Upload video. Okay, I made 2 more tables for each more file type. Videos move and videos WebM. Here's structure of 1. They have same structure. I don't even want to test this right now, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna modify the product backlog or whatever you want to call this. Okay, we got a test. Okay, test table configuration and upload. Test upload status window. We want the same one for the other types. Okay, so that's fine, but we're moving on. Okay, so upload video. Apply. Apply. There's no changes here. Okay, so apparently... Wait, hang on. What? Hang on. We need to back out of this. We're just gonna... Cursor and my computer don't get along always. It's really quick to restart it, but sometimes I do have to restart it here. I think it didn't get the message. Because I didn't see it upload the, I didn't see it, even change the code. Or suggest any edits here. Let's see if we can get it to generate. I mean, it's quite simple, right? You just need to append the type to the table name or whatever. Path info extension. Here it is right here, right? To destination. Okay. Into table. Upload videos format into table. How's it getting the table name here? I don't see it. Where's the table variable defined? Here it is. Allowed formats. Table equals allowed formats. Format. Hang on. What's that? It should be videos. So somehow, oh, I see what it is. It's right here. It's right here. So this needs to be updated. And then WebM. Oops. Okay. Is that the... There it is right there. That should work. So, kind of doubt it does. But, in an ideal world, that would work. What am I trying to do here? Update, upload video. So, okay, now, Media Hub. Okay, now, Media Hub. Okay, this page needs to display gallery and search all three tables, the videos, MP4 table, and videos, move, and videos. I always forget this other one. Web M? I think that's what it is. Web M table. And if there is an existing entry for table, oh my gosh, whose enabled column value is 1, I added then it should display a nice gallery for the member to play the video with a modal pop-up that displays video properly depending on file type, and they can click out. It needs to track it as a new view and also track the time they spent in the modal to add to the database. When they click X out of it, should update the time watched of the video by how many minutes they watched, decimalized, if that's even a word. Okay, I lost track of what I was doing. There's so much here. We also need to add the enabled column and then be able to mark it. Okay. Also, admin needs to be able to manage the videos in a section below where they upload need to be able to click on button that makes visible the available videos of each type and be able to enable if not currently enabled and disable if enabled. Use Ajax please with rectangle in top right for update. Okay, we're updating multiple files here. This is pane, upload video. Make sure to, when upload a video, it is automatically disabled. I have null or 0 as default value, not null, lol. Okay, so we're gonna go back in. We're gonna go to the structure. We're obviously gonna add one column after this. Is gonna be a boolean. Blah blah blah. Enabled. Okay, I don't care about the length that is defined. The default is 0. Save. It cannot be null. So that was the WebM table. Let's do the same thing here. Structure. Add one table. Enabled, where is it at? Enabled, tiny int or a boolean. As defined, 0. This is easy, you guys. Structure, repetitive but easy. Could use an SQL statement to do it all at once. Maybe that'd be smarter. Enabled. As defined, 0. Okay. Oh, I was in the web browser, but I wasn't showing you guys, was I? I'm sorry. Maybe you could see it in the little pip there that I have for you. Try not to do that to you as much as possible. So this is saying to update Media Hub with all of this. Except, fine. And then create these new files. Update video stats, copy. Update video stats.php. Fine. Get videos. Fine. Get videos.php. Toggle video. What's this? I don't even know. I wonder if it got all the updates that I asked for. Save all. We're going to go back, refresh. Try not to forget to switch over. Okay, upload. I like that all the buttons are black. Videos. Okay. It should give me a section here to. Okay, but you didn't do the updates for pane I wanted. Okay, but you didn't do the updates for pane I wanted to manage enabled videos. Remember? Where did you do that update? Oh, and it did give me the SQL to do that. I'm retarded. We need to add the video image that's added to right after the upload section in pane. Yes, I want it down at the bottom. I love that you knew that. I love how I didn't just presume, oh, I'm going to put it at the top. Like, that's something I didn't think about, but the AI thinks about. It's like, oh, well, maybe he would actually like this new section at the bottom. Yes, I did. That's exactly what I wanted. So, that's done. And then, yes, we already have that done. Save. I don't know what I updated anymore, so we're just going to drop that in there. Check on the progress here. It's done. Okay, manage MP4 videos. There's one. Disabled, okay. That's fine. But, so that means Media Hub should show nothing, right? Okay, now Media Hub is screwed up, though. Okay, but now Media Hub is screwed up, though, right? Right? This is just where we watch the videos. Oh, yeah. Play exchange is needed. Okay. Needs to have a gallery with a thumbnail, perhaps. Maybe I should make it so he can upload a thumbnail. Good lord. I think it would be best to automatically generate the thumbnail. Also, perhaps display the title. I'm not sure if Claude got the idea just now that I don't want the management built in. So that was Media Hub that we just updated. Okay, there's nothing enabled now. That's good. So we just go to MP4, enable this one. Let's go back to leaderboard or Media Hub. Here's a video. Okay. All right. Looks like we can even play it, and it's working. Okay. I don't want to expose this content, but okay, that's great. So now we have made it so that we can read enable videos. Now, how do I want this to look? Okay. Okay. For the Media Hub, the top section, or, you know, below the nav, hang on, let me bring you guys over to my prompt, needs to, the Media Hub to have the first section centered with a nice border radius that says in Orbitron or otherwise modern, nice font. Featured video, which shows the most recently uploaded video that is enabled, of course. Okay. Then below that will be grid displays. Display. Okay, so it will have 3 videos on each row. 3 or 4, what do you guys think? 4? 4 is a little much. 3 is a little basic. I like 3. 3 videos on each row for as many videos as there are. Okay, so it should not actually matter what the file type is to the user. They should be displayed with their title and description in likewise awesome font and nice UI. We are going for white and black theme. And also, okay, so we have a grid, we have the main top section, okay? We want this very sectionalized, okay? For each element, as granular as we can get to make this look nice. We want to target borders, border radius, shadows, box shadow, inset with nice padding, and of course, margin to space evenly, and attribute centered justification. Okay. What else? Probably enough for the AA at this point. Now we have the centered top up the most recent, then we have a grid layout that can accommodate as many videos as he has. We need to make it so the user can browse previous videos. I'm going to do that in a modal. Okay, so we're going to implement. I am obsessed with modals. I really am. Okay, how can we get a thumbnail for these videos? Okay. Okay. We're going to have to address the thumbnail problem. Sorry guys, I will try to make sure I switch over. Okay, all videos. Now, this is not taking up very much space, but it's not coming out in a modal anymore. Okay, whoa. This is not a modal. Okay, hang on. Okay, slight issue though. When clicking on all videos, hang on. Okay, any video, it does need to display in nice, likewise styled modal, okay? Not this black screen it's in. User can click to full screen it, and then it displays after full screening in black rectangle in top with white font that disappears after 3.3 seconds. That, oh, here, let me bring it over to the prompt. That says press escape for minimize, and it does it. Okay, so I love it. Yeah, it had it in the modal before. I liked it before. Okay, and are we putting a timestamp on these videos? So video movie structure. Whoa. Yeah. Structure. Do we have a timestamp? Uploaded at timestamp. Okay. So if we go to MP4, where's the timestamp? Uploaded here. That seems to be working fine. Love how it already has 7 views. Picks them up rather quickly, apparently. Here's the Media Hub updates. Now, I don't quite recall what updates these are, but we will apply them anyways. And it's seriously what it's like working. You just constantly doing stuff, so you lose track of what you're even doing. That's why it's nice to have Notion here. That's why it's nice to have a goal. Okay, now it's in the modal. Looks beautiful, actually. I don't see the rectangle that appears. Oh, wait, hang on. Was it supposed to...
Right,
oh, here it is. Here it is right here.
2 to 3 minutes.
So then, does it disappear after 3.3 seconds? Maybe it does. Okay, and then in the modal... okay. And then, here, let's bring you over to the prompt. In the modal, I do need to see displayed in the bottom. Nicely styled, title and description, of course. Also, on the home page of Media Hub, it does need to show the date it was uploaded for the featured video and all videos, actually, and the view count, and what else? What am I tracking? Minutes watched. Yeah. And minutes watched. Okay. You know what we could do? We could associate the profit reporting with the different videos watched. Like, say you watched a certain video and then you bought in, made profits off of whatever trade they were talking about. You could report your profits and tie it to a video. That'd be fun. I'll write that down for him. Maybe I'll bring that up to him. Future upgrades, tie profit reporting to video. That'd be an interesting upgrade, maybe down the line. You could maybe sort his videos by, like, the most cash people have made off of it. That'd be cool. I mean, these are just really simple, non-complex ways to make a cool system, right? And let's take a look. So, minutes watched. Where's our prompts? I'll help you into the mode section. Video requires more details. Okay. Accept. Make sure to include font awesome in your check. What? What's this? Don't have a font awesome. What? What can you just use nice? What? I mean, I'm not sure about emojis on his website, dude. I don't want emojis on his stuff. I don't know. We'll see how it looks. Maybe he's into it. I don't know. What was that? That was Media Hub. Okay. Oh. Oh. Okay. Doesn't look awful. Oops. Okay. It is a little redundant though. I'm not sure how much I like that. I don't know how much I like the idea of showing the views and the time in you know, both places. It just seems awful. It looks good here. Almost looks like YouTube. I could even make it so that there's likes. Okay, yeah, we're gonna do that. All right. So, okay, I've also added a likes column so we can keep track of likes. Okay, give me SQL to add a likes column, okay, to each table and make it so user can interact with likes in modal with little plus sign, okay? Make it green for cache or black, whichever looks better. Styling is important. You know, we going for that sleek modern UI with black and white. And also, I want the SQL for the likes. Column should be called likes. And what else can we do? We could comment. We can make it so users can comment on his videos. It's not that complicated. For each video, just allow. Well, how would the database work for that? Yeah, you'd make a separate. Yeah, that's what you do. You'd make a separate table for comments for each video type. Then you would reference the primary key of the video and then just do entries for each comment. And then it would just populate the table that way, yeah. Okay, so do I want to do that? Kind of. Feels like the longer I talk about it, it's kind of trash. I'm sorry. I have to consider these things because it has a. If I do the likes, then it's a little more streamlined. If I do the comments, then it has all this interaction, and I don't know if he wants to sign up for that. I don't know if he wants to just dish out his content and get away with it. I don't know if he wants to hook people in with commenting. It would probably help to talk to him about this. So, since I'm not too inspired, I'm going to just go with the likes for now. And then I'm going to offer comments as an upgrade package. commenting on videos? Sorry, I'm working in Cursor. I was just update your video card PHP to include likes. Media Hub. Accept. Okay. Oh, didn't like that. Did I run the SQL? Oh, I didn't. That's what it was. There we go. Let's try reloading the page now. Okay, there we go. Oh, oh, that's kind of cool. Huh. Me like. But for some reason, now when clicking on interesting. Now when now when clicking on featured video, it not popping up in modal though. What could cause that? I wonder if it's fixing it the right way. I'm not too convinced by this response right now. There was a key change, okay. Media Hub. See. Okay, now it's popping up. Nice. Oh, and it has the link. It has the like still there. Yep. So I have a problem here, okay? I have a serious problem with the user interface that I want to fix before I complete more functionality. I don't like how it's duplicating the upload date, the views, and this. Okay. So how can I fix this problem? How can I fix this problem? So I think I got it. I know. Okay, got it. So on the home page of Media Hub, instead of showing the upload, wait, hang on. The upload date and views and minutes watched, I want you to sort them by upload date in the grid and let the user know that's what we're doing. And for each video, there should be a little text that says info instead of the stats, that when they hover over it, it should have tiny black question mark next to it. It pops up with little bubble that gives the upload date first, and on new rows all the nerdy details, okay? Do not touch the layout for modal info for now, please. I like it the way it is, but next to the like plus sign, you can put likes. Just a label. in the modal. Okay. There we go. Well, let's generate. I'm gonna pause it. I'm gonna come right back, guys. Taking a short mental break. All right, we're back, guys. Maybe YouTube can grace us with its special sounds. I guess we're updating Media Hub here. I don't know what we're updating anymore, but let's do it anyways. Yep, YouTube decides not to play music for us. Maybe I'll look into that later. Okay. Okay. That looks nice. Okay. Okay, for the featured video. Oh, actually, I kind of like that. Okay. Okay, for the featured video, please remove the emoticons. Just the stats, please, with a label. Make font perfect. Okay. So it's a blue play button right now that is on my thumbnail, which I suppose is okay, right? But I wonder what it's like to get it just a thumbnail so I can hand this system over to this guy, because how do I it's this is just some UI work here. Let's see. Okay. That looks better. Info. 2 likes. Wait, I can do a like whenever I want? Wait, hang on. How does this work? Can I do like here? Can I do a like here? Oh, okay. You can only do during your session. Sorted by newest. Okay. All right. Let's talk to one of our oracles here. Is it possible to just take a random part of the video to easily use as thumbnail for display on Media Hub homepage for videos? Or do we need to update structure to add column to accommodate? Is there easy way to do this with little complexity? Yes, we can generate a thumbnail from video using something simple. Install FFmpeg on your server, add a thumbnail column to store path, generate the thumbnail, okay? My god, we have to install this to the server. Add this function, upload video, then update the video display in Media Hub. Okay, fine, let's do it. Install FFmpeg, PHP, Bluehost. This guy seems like he knows what he's talking about. Download. I think this is the same website. Let's see. No, it's not. This is a mirror. Or is it not a mirror? No, this is the... Okay, guys. Download. Desktop. Can I see it? Why is it not loading here? Oh. Wait, hang on. What am I doing? I just keep running WinZip over and over again. What am I doing? Get rid of this. Thank you for downloading WinZip. Thanks for talking to me. Okay. One file. Okay, desktop. We're going back. Looks like it might take a while. All right. I wonder how many lines of code this site is gonna be after I install this. It's probably gonna be huge. I can only imagine how many lines of code this is. Probably would have been easier if I just made it so he could upload a JPEG or whatever as his thumbnail. But that'd be more work for him. This way, he can just upload his videos and just... All right. I guess this means we're pausing it one more time. We'll be back with a little more update. How long is this video? Was it 2 hours, 14 minutes? Okay. You know, it's 1:20 a.m. I've been doing this for maybe 5 hours. This is nothing, you guys. You haven't seen anything yet. Lots more fresh content coming to you. Lots of video games. Lots of this. We're doing lots of coding. Lots of learning. Integration, development, deployment, testing, debugging. Ideas, problem solutions. Cool, fun things to do. I mean, I have so much stuff I could show you guys that I've coded that is just really weird and fun and interesting. You know, cool functionality that you're like, wow. Like with my computer's business, I'm keeping track of inventory. I'm making it so I can scan. I can go to my own website that I coded, okay? And I have a wireless scanner, and I scan my inventory, and it puts it into the system automatically. It's so cool. It's a wireless scanner, and I can do it with my phone. I can log in the website with my phone, link my scanner with Bluetooth to my phone, and then boop, check all my inventory with my phone anywhere in the world. Access this web system and do it. So it's crazy. It's really cool. I have lots of really interesting things like that I'm doing, and I just getting started. Okay, guys. I wonder, is 1:20 a.m. is the weekend? Kind of feel like I'm running out of steam, but all right. What's this guy say? What in the hell? Why can't I just drop the whole thing in? How does this work? Do I have to install the folders? I mean, look at these directories. I don't want to do that. Okay, so we can use cPanel to do it. I mean, I don't know which website it is. Clearly not this one. Hang on, this is the same file manager as before. Hang on, where do I go? Uploads button. Select multiple to choose files. What? Uploads? What? What about this? Okay, which website is this? Let's find out. D1A9197. Where's cPanel at? D1A9197. D1A9197. Okay. Edit. What? This is not the right place, I don't think. How do I do FTP here? This is just managing FTP. Is there no way to just upload stuff? All right, guys, it would have been faster if I just created the folders. Okay, hang on. Okay, when uploading FFmpeg, do I need to create all subfolders for extracted directory in the folder I made in root folder called FFmpeg? Can I extract all files there? What's up? Oh, I can check if FFmpeg is already installed? What? Okay. Okay, let's just try this. Might be able to test FFmpeg PHP. Or FFmpeg might actually be in cPanel. No, it's not, but okay. Okay, I made that file. Can we make stuff display in pane, please, for it? Oh, I'm getting tired, you guys. Okay, let's try that. I'm gonna test and see if we already have FFmpeg installed. Up one level. Yeah. I had an issue with my scene transition there. Just updating this so that I can check. All right, Media Hub, configuration pane. Here we go. Should be down here at the bottom. Not found. Unable to get version info. Okay. We are going to have to install it. Let's just do it manually. What do you guys think? I'd rather do that than install or set up FTP right now. Okay. Let's try this. Okay. Put this over here. Okay. Compat. This is going to take a while, doc. FF build. FF tools. Okay, one by one. Please don't have 1,000 folders. Well, I'm not going to make you guys watch all of this. But making progress. Maybe I will set up FTP in the future. Alright, and then we can just upload the rest of these. Now, we're going to want to upload each one. Atomics. Guess what? 2 folders. That's wrong. Okay. Not too bad. That was Atomics. CUDA doesn't have any folders. That's nice. Dispatch Semaphore does not have any folders. That's nice. Maybe I will watch you guys, make you guys watch all this. I don't know. I'm going kind of fast. We'll get it. Here's the float. None of these have folders. They're just files. We're making our way down. And then Windows. Upload. All right. So now we did compat. Now doc. All right, guys. I'm going to pause it while I work my way through this. I'll be back. Guys, seriously, my computer's probably about to crash. I've never seen so many Chrome tabs in my life. Look at this. I've been updating this for some time now, and holy cow, dude. Should have used FTP. What am I even thinking? This would have taken 10 minutes if I had just set up FTP. So I kind of want to do it now, but I'm almost done. I'll be right back with you guys. I have to finish this. All right, guys, welcome back. So I time check, by the way. Look, it's 2:41. I think I started this at like 1:20 whenever I said. So I just wasted like over an hour of my life because I didn't want to configure FTP for my system, okay? Big mistake, I think. I mean, I just decided to upload it manually because I knew it would work, but what an idiot move, okay? I should have used FTP. So we have it done though, and oops, and I'm happy with that. So I'm going to put a pin in this development session. It's 2:40 a.m. No reason for me to be up anymore. Thank you guys for tuning in to this fun new playlist where I'm uploading my work sessions on PHP systems primarily. We're doing a lot of HTML, CSS, PHP, SQL, database access, language, and also some API accesses. What else do we do? JavaScript as well. For now, that seems to be about it. So we do have a few systems we're working on. You guys are going to see a diversity of different development projects. Who knows where this is going to go, right? So I'm just in the thick of it right now trying to get this done. But we have officially concluded our session here. Thank you for tuning in. By the way, if you listened all the way to the end, hit that like button. Okay, I'm tired. Give me a little thanks. Whatever. And I enjoy doing this for you guys. I hope some of you all like it out there. You can see what kind of level I'm at. Obviously I'm not the best, but anything that's clear. But at the same time, I can get stuff done around here. And I'm really pleased with my own abilities, even if they are amplified with AI. That's awesome. So just really look forward to the future. It's going to be a lot of fun for me. And we'll make sure to keep the content fresh and fun. And we'll try not to just sit here and piddle around on the computer and not talk for hours at a time. At least say something, even if it's revealing of how stupid I am. But yeah, more on that later, guys. We have a lot of analysis videos coming up, a lot of League of Legends content planned for you guys for the future, for the next year. Expect hundreds of uploads. It's happening. All right, guys. Peace.